Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shion Digital. If today is the first time coming across my video, thank you so much guys. Thank you. And if you're part of the family, thank you so much guys. I so much love you guys. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually make $10 every day on this platform. On this platform, you're going to be making $10 every day, just doing little tasks. Just simple things, and you're making $10. Imagine you subscribing to people's channel and they're giving you $1 per channel you subscribe to. Imagine that. So guys, the next thing you're going to be seeing now is my phone screen. So I want you to watch the video from beginning to the end so that you will not mix any part of the video. All right, so let's dive into the video. If you are willing to make at least $10 every day, then this video is for you. Don't skip any part of this video because I'm going to be showing you what to do and how to do it. All right, the name of the website is Sprout Gigs. All right, so I've dropped the link in the description box of this video. Just go to the description. You're going to see the link to register your account. So after the registration, you have interface like this, and what you just want to do here is very simple, very simple. You want to make $10, right? So come down here and see this amazing job. All right, so it's micro job site. So this guy said subscribe to our channel. Just subscribing to a channel, that is very simple. You just click the link, go to this channel and click subscribe. They are not even asking you to turn on the notification bell. Just subscribe and earn $1. Right, again, look at this one. Join our Telegram channel. You're just joining, you're not doing anything there. Just join and do what? Earn $1. That's how much? That's $2. All right, that's $2. Then if you further go down, and this guy said download an ebook and take through on 50 cents, and this one said okay, 30 cents. So what you're going to be looking for is $1 job. All right, complete and simple offer, $1, 222 cents. You see this amazing. It's something you can just do under how many minutes and you're done, guys. This is cool. You can do all of these things. Working app, subscribe to our channel. This one is offering 500 cents. Subscribe to our channel. You can just do all the channel things, and before you know it, you've gathered your $10 a day, right? Download and install. Okay, this one is says sign up plus. So I'm just looking for $1 stuff. If you don't have $1, just keep doing all this job, and guys, you are good to go. Guys, you are good to go. It's very simple to do, so you can just wait for more to load up. All right, so we have so many. See this job. This one is $2. Download Word file. Just download something and you get $2. Oh my goodness. So this is another $2. Download the music file, $2. Imagine. Subscribe to our channel. All right, see this. Sign up. See this. All right, see, download the picture, $1. This one say download the picture again, another $2. So how many dollars have I mentioned? So you can see making money online is very simple when you know the right thing to do. At least $1 now in naira should be around 800 something, 820 or so. So this is another $2. Download the ebook. All right, and this is very simple, guys. This is very simple, guys. So one thing I will do now, let's go back to the first one that says download. So here you can see, let's say you want to join the Telegram group, or the Telegram channel, whatever you call it. Let's say you want to join the Telegram channel. You can just click on this part somewhere around here, right? Click on it. Then you can see 16 people out of 45 people already. All right, guys, so you can just do that. Click it. So once you do that, you're gonna see something like this. Okay, It's going to give you the instruction on what to do. Go to this website. You can see, go to this website. Go to the site. Then once you copy the link, paste it on a new browser. Once you're done, join, then press join. Okay, press join channel button. Then complete the email verification, just to show you are not a robot. After that, after human verification has been completed, you will have access to the channel link. Do work honestly. Make sure you complete the woman. There's no spam, no spam proof. Any spam proof will lead to ban. So those are the things you just need to do. Once you're done, then you come down here and submit. So you can say you want to approve this job. If you want to approve, you just click on approve it and do the job. You're good to go. Simple. So guys, you can just do $1 job. If you can do $1 job and you can do 10, that's $10. If you can do more than that, that's imagine. So that's how you make your $10 on this platform. Okay guys, one more thing that I need to show you. You can also do one other thing here. If you have a skill, you don't have a skill, don't worry, I'm going to show you this. See this? Click on this part. All right, then come to gig. Say gigs, click on it. Click on, let's see, browse gig. Okay, let's browse gig. Let's see something. See what job that people are rendering on this site. 410 backlinks. I will write 15 articles for you. See this guy. This guy is writing ordinary article for people for $3. And see how many review. 476. So let's do the calculation. $3.15 multiplied by 476. All right, let's go to calculator. You see how much this guy has made, and it's still making money continuously. So we have $3.15 multiplied by 476. This guy has made $1,499.04 just writing article. Let's say in Nigerian naira, it should be around 820. That's 1,229,508 naira. Imagine 1.2 million just writing article for people. So let me show you how you can also write article. Do the job of writing article on this website. All right, now it's charging $15. You can charge $2. It's charging $3. You can charge $2, 2 point something. Okay, so let me show you one thing. Let's open another tab. Let's go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT. All right. So if you come to this ChatGPT, you're gonna see the magic now. And you also want to be doing the writing for people article. So you can tell this ChatGPT, write an article of 1,500 words on how to make money. Like, let's just say somebody give you this job, how to write an article of 1,500 words on how to make money online that is SEO friendly. So click go. All right, so we're gonna wait for it and see the magic that this website is gonna perform. So you also can do the same thing and you are good to go. All right, so you can be writing an article for people and then you are charging just $2. All right, see, it has begun the work. Oh my goodness, it won't be more than 1,500 words. All right, see, all you just need to do is what, just copy it, then send it to the, copy it in a Word document folder. So just send it to the owner of the job, and you're good. You're done. Imagine you're done. You're done. So once you copy it like this, once you do it like this, you can even paraphrase the word by going to check online how to paraphrase and do it like that. Let's say you copy it, you come to the 𝐶𝐈𝐆𝐈𝐓𝐃. You click on 𝐶𝐈𝐆𝐈𝐓𝐃 and you just want to paraphrase the word. All right, click on try, no credit card, just click on try. Then here you're gonna copy the word and paste it here. This 𝐶𝐈𝐆𝐈𝐓𝐃 will help you to rephrase the word so that it's gonna look unique. All right, so it's amazing. It's amazing. Just register on this platform. Once you register and everything, you're done and you're good to go. Just put it here and paraphrase your word. It's going to help you to do it. See, now let's see, we want to paraphrase now. Let's go back and copy some of those things that ChatGPT helps us with. So let's say from here, let's just copy from here to this full stop. All right, let's stop here. Once I stop here, I'm going to go back to 𝐶𝐈𝐆𝐈𝐓𝐃 and just do what? Put the word here, paste it here. Once I paste it here, then I'm going to ask 𝐶𝐈𝐆𝐈𝐓𝐃 to help us paraphrase this word. So click on paraphrase. So it's going to do the magic now. Just watch. It's going to do the magic for you. Can see unlocking online income. 10 successful online income methods. All right, you see introduction. You see this, imagine. So that's how you do it. You can also start doing something of this manner. All right, so you're writing article for people, SEO friendly article, and you are going to be making your money. All right, guys, so it's very simple. So how do you submit your own? Let me show you how to submit your own stuff here. Click on this 3 line again and come here, this gigs, then click on post gig. All right, click on post gig. What you need to do is that once you come here and just click on post, all right, you click on post gig and you submit your gig and you are good to go, guys. It's very simple, guys. So that's another way to make money on this website. All right, so guys, let me explain what this platform actually does, because the platform is a micro job platform, meaning that people are coming there to give the platform, I want subscriber on my channel, then they give the job there and they put money on the platform. So another people will come and say, okay guys, I need a job, I'm looking for something I can do to earn money. So they will come there and, I can subscribe to somebody's channel and make money. So they always subscribe and the other guy will pay them for doing the job. So that is simple. We have these people and we have that people. These people come in as a freelancer to do a job, while these people come in as a job owner, giving job to people. Very simple. And we have other people that, okay, I'm a skilled person, I have a skill, I can write article, I can design a website, I can run digital marketing, I can do anything. You can do so many things. You also have a slot for you on the platform. All you just need to do is submit your gigs. It's called gigs. Gigs means submit your job. I can design a website for you. You submit that as a job, as a gig. I can run advert for you. You submit that as a gig or as a job. So once you submit it on the platform, they are searching for who can help them to design their website, who can help them to run advert for their company. They will come there and see you and give you the job. And once they give you the job, maybe you're charging, let's say from $10 to $20, they will pay you $20. The platform will take their commission and you'll be left with the remaining money. So that's what this platform does. Very simple. Okay, we have the micro and we have the big gig. The micro gig is doing many jobs, doing something simple, hyping people to subscribe to their channel, following people on their social media platform. Those are the micro jobs. The big jobs are those ones that I just shared with you, helping people to design their website. So if you don't have a skill at all, but I know you should be able to subscribe to somebody's channel. If you don't have a skill at all, I know you should be able to follow somebody on somebody's social media account, which is very simple. It's what you do per day, every day. That's what you do. You go to Facebook, you see somebody's picture you like, you just give it a like without being paid for it. But this platform say, okay, come and like this person's picture and we'll pay you a token. Simple. So that's what this platform is all about. So if you're yet to subscribe, guys, can you do so by clicking the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video.